Good morning! The sun is shining. I wake up with a happy smile. Today feels peaceful and beautiful. First, I brush my teeth carefully. Clean teeth keep my smile bright and healthy. Now I feel fresh and ready for the day. I choose a comfortable outfit. Getting dressed makes me feel ready. I prepare a healthy breakfast every morning. Fresh food gives me energy for the whole day. I enjoy every bite with a... Now I'm walking to the local market. The fresh morning air feels cool and refreshing. I choose fresh vegetables for delicious. Now I have everything I need to cook. Now I'm cooking a healthy lunch. Fresh vegetables make every meal delicious. I love cooking with fresh ingredients. This bakery smells wonderful. Now, a warm cup of tea. This moment makes me feel relaxed. Every evening, I spend time studying. Learning new things helps me grow every day. I believe that practice leads to success. My day is over, and I feel thankful. I can't wait for another beautiful tomorrow. Good night and sweet dreams.